Aloha and welcome to Lahaina Roads. Nothing says oceanfront like Lahaina Roads on Front Street. I'm going to show you this property in this video from top to bottom. West here with HawaiiRealEstate.org. If you're new to the channel, this video series that you just clicked on is the entire anatomy of the West Maui real estate market. Look at the West Maui's right there, my goodness. You could come here and spend 2 or 3 days in a real estate agent's car and half of your vacation, or you could spend some time perusing these videos. If you click down below, you'll see a link to every single video, and I would just love to be a resource for you, whether you're looking to buy or sell, or even get your property managed. I'd love to be a resource for you now or down the road. Aloha. This is a crazy on the ocean property located just to the north of Lahaina Town, directly on Front Street. The name actually means this special channel that's created between the islands of Molokai and Lanai. And actually the ships back in the World War II actually considered this a potential place to harbor because it is this perfect road with deep anchorage that is a very safe place for ships to come. So a little historical perspective on the name Lahaina Roads. The property was actually built in 1969. It consists of 42 units. Now, the way those break down is as follows. You have 32 one-bedroom condos that are 640 square feet. You have 96 square foot lanais. So these are really nice, big, spacious lanais that all face the ocean. You have 6 two-bedroom units with 758 square feet and 91 square foot lanais. And then you have three penthouse units that are 1,297 square feet, and they have very large lanais in the neighborhood of 500 square feet. And if you look closely in the aerial video, you can actually see those lanais on top of the building. Lahaina Roads is, of course, a fee simple property that is vacation rentable. So you have the choice. You can either rent it out short term, you could rent it to someone long term, or just stay in the unit yourself and treat it like a second home or full-time residence. So what's Lahaina Roads known for? Well, real easy. Views, big, giant, massive views. So what you can see here is obviously the islands of Molokai and Lanai, but you also have super quick access to Baby Beach, which is just a little bit to the south, and also Malo Ramp, which is one of the absolute best scuba diving spots on the island in terms of just being able to walk in right from the shore. You also can walk all the way, obviously, to the rest of Front Street to go ahead and do some shopping or have a nice dinner at Cheeseburger in Paradise, or Cool Cats, which is actually where the locals go to eat their burgers. But it is absolutely one of the best locations you're going to find on Front Street and one of the few oceanfront properties that are available to purchase. If you love to whale watch, this is the perfect spot, or even turtle watch, because there's lots of turtles that love this area. And of course, if you're familiar with Kanapali, it's just right down the way, a very close drive. And of course, Laniapoko Beach to the south, great surf spots there, and also at the 505. Hey, don't forget to click the description in the show notes below. I've got a link to my website that shows you every Lahaina Roads unit that's currently for sale and everything that is sold most recently in the complex. Check it out. Watched many of my videos, you know, to me parking is kind of a big deal. I love having my own spot and I love covered parking. So here at Lahaina Roads, you definitely have nice overhead parking, and the clearance isn't too bad. I'm about 6'3", so you know, it'll do for most vehicles.